Welcome to our video on how to earn from blogging. In this video, we will explore 3 effective ways to monetize your blog and generate income. The first way to earn from blogging is through display advertising. By partnering with ad networks, you can display ads on your blog and earn revenue based on impressions or clicks. Another way to monetize your blog is through sponsored content. Brands may pay you to write blog posts or reviews that promote their products or services. Affiliate marketing is the third method we'll discuss. By joining affiliate programs, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links on the blog. To maximize your blogging income, it's important to create high-quality and engaging content that attracts a loyal audience. Additionally, promoting your blog through social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization can help increase your visibility and attract more readers. Remember to choose monetization methods that align with your blog's niche and audience. This will ensure that your income streams are relevant and effective. In conclusion, blogging can be a profitable venture if you utilize the right strategies. By incorporating display advertising, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing, you can start earning from your blog today.